Ever feel like your bank account is playing a game of financial hide-and-seek, especially right before payday? Today, we're demystifying to helpful Chime features, SpotMe and MyPay, that can ease that stress. First up, let's talk SpotMe. Think of SpotMe as Chime's version of overdraft protection, but without the typical overdraft fees. If you're making a purchase and your account balance dips below zero, SpotMe can spot you up to $200. The exact amount depends on your Chime account history and activity. This covers you on debit card purchases and cash withdrawals. To be eligible, you need to have received $200 or more in qualifying direct deposits to your Chime checking account in the preceding 34-day period. When you make another deposit, Chime will automatically deduct the overdrawn amount. Now, let's switch gears to MyPay. Unlike SpotMe, which covers you when you're short on funds, MyPay lets you access your paycheck up to 2 days early. This is possible because Chime deposits your paycheck as soon as they receive the funds from your employer. No more waiting around for your official payday. There are no fees associated with MyPay. It's simply a perk of having your paycheck directly deposited into your Chime account. To take advantage of MyPay, simply set up direct deposit with your employer using your Chime account details. So, to recap, SpotMe is for covering small overdrafts, while MyPay is about getting your paycheck sooner. Both are designed to give you greater control over your finances and avoid unnecessary fees. Hopefully, this clears up the difference between SpotMe and MyPay. Now you can make the most of these Chime features and manage your money with confidence.